Go girl! Kaya, pwede na yun, ano ka ba? Naka-full charge.
There were nights when the wind was so cold, then the band frozen bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so cruel that it turns into dust, and all these blue eyes were drying up forever. When you touch me like this, when you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. When I touch you like this, when I hold you like that, it's so hard to believe, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, so coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I'd never do again, but then there always seems right. There were times of endless pleasure. It was more than any loss of love. Baby, baby, if I kiss you like this, if you whisper like that, it was lost long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, and if you need me like that, it was dead long ago, but it's all coming back to me. It's so hard to resist, and it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me
Okay lang yan kasi ayaw pa yan! Kulang lang yan sa anong cut.
There were those empty threats and hollow lies, and whenever you tried to hurt me, I just hurt you even worse and so much deeper. There were hours that just went on for days, but alone at last we counted all the chances that we lost to us forever. You were history with a slamming out the door, and I made myself so strong, yeah, somehow. And I never wasted any of my time on you instead.
Go girl!
But if I touch you like this, if you kiss me like that, it's this not go, but it's all coming back to me. If you touch me like this, and if I kiss you like that, it was gone way away, my